before, after. Sheesh! See the difference, bro? This is really why you gotta clean those shoes, bro. You can really see these. Look, that's popping, and that's not popping. That's disgusting. Oh, no, that's just so gross, bro. That dog shit on my hands. Fuck nah, bro. This is like a tutorial video on every subject. So all you gotta do, get your toothbrush, clean the detergent water with the Dawn. Alright, doesn't matter what detergent, it's hot water, and you hit it with the scrub. This is how to clean your shoes 101. This is real short tutorial. We don't need a long tutorial, bro. We don't need 17 brushes, bro. We not Rejuvenator, bro. It's all good. We don't need to be. He does way too fucking much. They look nice, but that should take hours, bro. We don't got hours on shoes, bro. We can't be wasting all that time. We're gonna be here about 5 minutes, dog. I would say about 5 minutes. You really want to get it looking right. Switch back from that water from the detergent. So you start with the detergent on it like this. Like that, like that, like that. Don't forget your undersole too. Under right here, you see what I'm saying? Right here. Don't forget that. You need that too on the outline. Do it like a diagonal, and then come back right here. If this is a suede shoe, so suede can't really get water on it, so that's why I'm keeping it away from that water. But if it was another type of shoe, you'd probably cool with it. Leather can't get wet either. Don't get leather or pleather wet because it'll fuck it right up. Watch out for your Toms. Be careful with them. Your Toms can't really get that wet like your boat shoes and shit. Do this over a sink. Or maybe if you don't got a sink, like an old table that can get wet, or like the ground that can get wet, maybe outside. Because this shit gets a little messy. But once you start getting in there, bro. See, that was the side with the dog shit on it. Where's the dog shit? It's gone. These are some nice shoes, but it's not my size. You gotta get them right. This shit looking good already, bro. The other side wasn't really that bad. After, man, whoo-wee, we had to get the little video. I had to get a video real close up of these, man. These bitches are looking straight fire. Look, nothing. Looking real fucking. You can still see it a little bit on the flash, but bruh, barely. That's not even anything. Fucking yeah. Enjoyed that video. If you did, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. A little tutorial on how to clean your shoes. I just thought it'd be helpful because sometimes like they don't really give you good instructions online. They tell you to buy a bunch of shit, but really all you need is very basic shit to clean your shoes for real. Just some detergent, and it doesn't matter what kind. Some Dawn and some hot water and some time, bro. For real. Just stay positive, be easy, and thank you guys for watching once again. Peace out.